Hey sis, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a 5-minute makeup routine. Now this makeup routine is good for my mothers who are always on the go, for anyone who has work or school and is always running on crunch time and just wants a quick makeup routine that will get them up and out the house. This is quick, easy, natural. You're not doing too much, you're not putting on too much product, and really giving you just a nice flawless finish. So if you guys are interested in how I achieved today's look, then obviously just continue to watch. If you are a new sis to my channel, make sure you are subscribed, hit the bell so that you're notified each time I upload. And without further ado, let's just get into this 5-minute makeup look. Alright sis, so as you guys could tell by the title, we are doing a 5-minute makeup routine. Now, we're doing this in 5 minutes, but we are using about 7 products. So this is more of a no makeup look. So we're trying to look like we got out of bed and did something to ourselves without looking like we caked on too much makeup. So we're going very natural today. I've done nothing to my skin except for moisturize it. So we are going in with the first product, which is our primer. Now, I want to go in with primer first because I really want my primer to sit and settle into my skin while I move on to my brows. And then from my brows, I can move on to putting the rest of the products on my skin. So I do want to go in with something that is a bit more refreshing and moisturized. So I am going in with my Catrice Fresh It Up Primer. This is a moisturizing primer, so if you are dry skin, I definitely recommend this product. If you are combination like myself, I don't find a problem with using this, especially since I'm not going in with a lot of products. I won't have to deal with a lot of oil or anything. It's just a very hydrating primer. All right, so you guys can see that my skin already looks like hydrated and really plumpy. It actually does have a nice sticky feel, which is good for just allowing your products to stay and last on your skin. So now we're gonna move on to brows. Now for brows, I know brows could take a while to do, especially if you're working from nothing to something. For me, I say this all the time, I have a lot of brow hairs to work with. So I really don't need to do much, especially for a no makeup look. You're not trying to really sculpt out your brows or anything. So what I like to do, as you guys just saw me do just now, is really brush out my brows with like a spoolie. And then I am going to be going in with my NYX, the brow glue. I've been loving this product because it really just sculpts my brows in place. It allows my brows to have a more put together look. And I stress this enough, guys, make sure your brows are groomed before anything. I like to just every night before, not every night, but maybe every other night, because my hair is always growing back. But just take like one of these razors. You could get it from the beauty supply store. It's a brow razor, and all you're doing is just cleaning up the little hairs that are growing in, and this really just kind of cleans up your brows before anything. So I've already done that. Now I'm just gonna go in with the brow glue and really just shape my brows in place. And this brow glue does have a tint to it as well. So at the same time as, you know, putting it into place, it's just filling in any sparse areas that I may not have much hair growing in as well. Alright guys, so before I go in with the next product, I do like to take a clean beauty wipe and just clean up the outer areas of my brows. The brow glue tends to just leave some product. I don't know if you guys could see at the top here. It just leaves a bit of product around. So you just want to clean that up quickly. And that is about it for brows. Alright y'all, so the next product that you guys want is a skin tone concealer. So this is a concealer that is going to match you perfectly. This is going to conceal any dark spots, hyperpigmentation, acne marks, anything like that. It's just going to cancel out that darkness or even the redness. So for me, I'm going in with my CoverGirl Outlast Extreme Wear Concealer. This is a 24-hour concealer, very full coverage concealer. You guys are probably looking at me like, what do I need to conceal? But for me, I could see that I have just some darkness around my mouth that I want to conceal, as well as underneath my eyes. I have a lot of bags going on, so that is where that concealer comes in. And all you're doing is applying it in areas where you feel you want to conceal, anywhere that has darkness. Now, because this is a no makeup look, I'm going in with a very light hand. So I think I'm pretty good in terms of just the areas I want to conceal. I know a lot of people have their choices in terms of using a brush versus a beauty sponge. Now for me, I want the maximum coverage I could get from this concealer, so I'm going to use a brush to blend it out. So I'm just using my foundation brush and just really diffusing that into my skin. You see how that kind of just blended into my skin? You don't want anything that's too light. You want to find a concealer that is your perfect skin match. And with the excess, you want to put it on your eyelids as well. I suffer from having like really dark eyelids. You guys could see the difference here. That just really brings everything to one skin tone. Alright guys, so the next product you want to go in with is a cream blush. So I'm going to be using my Milani Cheek Kiss Liquid Blush. This is in the shade Rose Romance, and this is just a really nice rosy blush. This is going to bring back some color to your skin and really just give that really natural look to your skin. I know black people probably don't blush, but this is just like an extra added step to really just look like you did something with your makeup today. So this is kind of like the same like my concealer. I just pumped some on the back of my sponge, and then that's where my damp beauty sponge comes in. So I'm just gonna take my damp beauty sponge and just dab that in, and then you just want to put it on the apples of your cheeks. It's just going to really add some color back to your skin and make you look more alive. So I like to apply it across my nose as well. This is optional, like you don't have to do this, but I personally like applying it in this area here. All right, so this is how the skin is looking. We've honestly got rid of all of our cream products, so this is the end to the cream products we're going to be putting on our face. Now you want to go in with some powder. So for powder, I do not suggest putting on any pressed powder, any setting powder. You want to go in with a powder that is translucent and really fine, something that's not too heavy, very light, but will set your makeup in place. So for me, I'm going in with my Revlon BLOT powder. This is going to honestly just get rid of the shine, really make me more matte and set everything in place at the same time. So this is translucent. You want something that's going to blend easily into your skin. That's the white powder, and it's literally just blends into your skin. So you don't want to have anything that's going to give you color. I'm going to be taking this fluffy brush. It's very fluffy. It's not too dense. And this is just going to allow me to apply it in pretty much all over my face. You want to just set everything in place. So I'm going to dip into this powder, knock off the excess, starting with the areas that you applied concealer. So I'm just going to apply underneath my eyes, around my mouth. So I'm pretty much done with the face. This is all you need to really be doing for a no makeup look. I don't look like I have anything on my skin. I kind of just made my skin look a lot more vibrant, a lot more uniform. Just really got rid of any dark spots or anything. So now you're moving on to your eyes. Now your eyes are optional. I'm pretty good with applying like my lashes on really quickly, but if you're someone that struggles with lashes, then that's where your mascara comes in. So I am going to be using my L'Oreal Telescopic Lift Mascara. This has been my go-to mascara, especially because I don't really use a lot of mascara. So this one has been pretty good in terms of giving me that length and volume that I need for my natural lashes. So I'm just gonna apply this quickly, and I don't go in with too much, especially when I'm going for a no makeup look. All I'm doing is really exaggerating my natural lashes, and then I'm just gonna apply some on my bottom lashes as well. All right, so we are pretty much done, guys. The last product is your lip product. Now, I highly recommend going in with any type of a lip oil or even a lip gloss. For me, I feel like putting on a lipstick kind of just shows that you have makeup on. So going in with something that's more so like a lip oil or a lip gloss is my tip. So I'm going in with the NYX Fat Lip Drip Oil. So it is a tinted lip oil, and it's just gonna really bring the look together and moisturize your lips at the same time. All right, so that is it for this look, guys. Let me know what you guys think. This is supposed to be a no makeup look. Took less than 5 minutes in real time, not video time. In real time, this will take 5 minutes. Very quick, simple, easy. This is good for anyone who's going to work, anyone who has kids and just wants to do a quick makeup look on the go. This is really convenient, and I use no more than 10 products. So I highly recommend this routine for anyone who just wants a quick makeup look. So that is about it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed, make sure you are subscribed. Hit the bell so that you're notified each time I upload. And yeah, that's about it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.